Hello everyone, it's been a while, but I'm back with some updated Java tutorials. We're going to be acquiring OpenJDK, so go ahead and navigate to the OpenJDK link in the description. Click on Windows Java Development Kit, and once that's finished downloading, go to your Downloads folder. You should have this zip file. Right-click on this file and click on Extract All, and then click on Extract. You should end up with this folder, and you should have JDK11 in this folder. Now click on this and press Ctrl-C on your keyboard to copy it. Go to your C drive, click on Program Files, and then create a new folder called OpenJDK. In this folder, you can press Ctrl-V to paste JDK11, just like I have. Once you've completed this, go to your search bar and type in env. Click on Edit the System Environment Variables. Click on Environment Variables. You're going to want to add two system variables, Java Home and JRE Home, exactly as I have them here. To do that, you're going to want to click New. And then in the variable name, you're going to have Java Home for one and then JRE Home for the other. Both of them are going to have the same value, assuming you've been following along. And then you want to go down to your path, double click on that, and you're going to want to add this exact path to your path variable. Again, assuming you've been following along. If you've put your JDK11 in a different folder, you will have to modify all of these values. But I will have all of these values in the description. And to add this path, you're going to want to click on New and just paste it in here. Okay, so you now have OpenJDK installed. I'll be back soon with more Java content, but for now, thank you for watching.